Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here to show you Sea Ray's 2022 370 Sundancer. It's a new model for Sea Ray. They really knocked it out of the park on this boat. It does everything exceptionally well. It's powered by the Mercury 300s. Plenty of horsepower for this boat. Gets right up on plane. Does a great job. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are up on board. Let's start again with the back of the boat. We've got the triple Mercuries on the back. Fantastic motors. Very little vibration, just phenomenal. Mercury does a super job on it. And as we move to the back, you've got basically almost a 360 seating back here, but very comfortable. And if you just if you want to hang out in the back of the boat, when you do this, you put the motors down. It's a great place just to kind of hang, sit, or lay down, whatever. So it's very versatile on this, and this comes back up and makes it like a couch seating here. So just a great option on the back for hanging out on the back of the boat. So as I move in, you've got the seating all the way around. You've got a Sure Shade up here. The Sure Shade completely covers all the seating here. It's automatic, so it's a really nice feature keeping you out of the sun. And then I move to the galley area. You've got a grill. It's electric grill, and it's phenomenal. Very little smoke on it. The burners are recessed underneath here, so you get very little smoke on it, so it's a real cool grill. Cooks anything. You get a fridge with a little freezer, and it actually can keep a good sized bag of ice down here for your drinks. Move over to the helm. Here we are at the helm. Let's start with you've got a really nice, comfortable captain's seat. It's a two-seater. Nice for the captain to have a little company up here while he's driving the boat, which I do happen to like. And then the helm is really beautiful. They've done a really clean job on it with the two large Simrads on it. So you can cut these, and you can do 4 different screens up here, fish finder, you name it. You can put it all in here, radar, spotlight control, nice buttons for everything you're going to need right here. You get the digital throttle and shift, and then you have the joystick. The joystick is just a fantastic item. I can make the boat go sideways. I can do I have complete control of this boat, and it's just really a great feature on this boat. Also has auto heading. It's an autopilot, so it's a point and shoot. So you've got a little boat, and you have a line that goes out like this, and you just point it wherever you want to go. If you want to go to Key West, you just point it to the outside marker. You hit the button. Takes you right there. You don't have to drive the boat. I can enjoy the company with everybody else on the boat. It's a lot more enjoyable for me as a captain, so I really like it as well. And then finally with it, you've got the sky hook. So at the end of the day, it does many things, but at the end of the day, we use it for the sunset. So we'll pull off to the side, we'll point the bow at the sunset, then they hit the sky hook button, and it locks us right in. So we're facing the sunset the whole time. You can bring a glass of wine up there, you can listen to a little bit of music, and you don't even hear the motors keeping you in place the whole time. It's quiet. It's just a great way. You don't need to use your anchor on it, so when you're all done, you just hit the button, put the boat away, joystick, you're in, you're going home, you're nice and relaxed. Great way to end the day. So let's go up to the hardtop up here. It's a very beautiful hardtop. You've got a flip roof, flip vent right here that'll flip up to give you fresh air coming through. You got a moon roof that completely opens. It's cut glass. It's really beautiful. And then you got a fixed panel glass there. So you got plenty of light coming through if you want it. Just beautifully designed. So let's go down below and look at the salon. Here we are down in the salon. It's a really big salon. Plenty of space down here. An incredible amount of headroom. You don't feel claustrophobic at all. So it's a great setup down here. Nice little galley, sink, microwave, refrigerator with another freezer in it. So you get 2 fridges and 2 freezers, which is pretty cool. And then nice L-shaped seating. You got a TV that's on the wall here that brings out so it's comfortable if you want to watch a movie, or if kids want to play the games or whatever. It's very well set up. And then if you want to sleep, you've got a button. You can hit the button. This will automatically come up and make a full-size bed, which is very cool. So and it's a button. A lot of times making the beds and everything else, it's a pain in the neck. But this with the automatic button comes up, and then when you want to use it for a couch, it goes right back into position again. And we have over here, we've got the head. It's a really nice head. You got a separate shower, which is a lot of them. They're part of the head. Everything gets wet. Not on this one. It's nice and dry. So, and you got a comfortable seat in here. Vessel sink, vacuum flush head, and finally down below you've got the kids like to hang out back there. You've got another TV in the back, and you've got you can put probably 3 or 4 adults comfortable, or 4 or 5 kids comfortable. You can just hang out down there or make it into a large bed. So it'll sleep 4 adults very comfortably as well. So the boat is, the Salon is very, very comfortable. It does pretty much everything you need. So let's up to the bow and take a look at the bow. As we're moving up to the bow, I do want to point out the one-piece windshield, which is absolutely beautiful. It's a beautifully curved windshield with no lines in the middle, so you have no obstructions in here as far as visibility. And then you come over to a really gorgeous door. This is a very heavy-duty door. It matches up with the curve of the windshield, so it's real beautiful. It's very easy to operate. As we move forward to the bow area, it's a really nice setup. The old days, you'd have nothing but a flat surface up here, maybe a sun pad up there. Really a lot of wasted space. So what they've done is they've made this a very usable space, because I would not let people ride up here because of when it was just flat, because of the safety issue. But now you're inside the boat, lots of people can ride up here. You can put a table down, set right in here, and you can comfortably sit 4 or 5 adults around here, drinks, hors d'oeuvres, that type of thing. Very, very comfortable. And if you just want to hang out, now you've got a huge sun pad up there. You've got armrests. You got places to charge your phones and drink holders. They really made this one of the. Used to be a waste of space on the boats. Now it's one of the best parts of the boat, and it's just very, very cool. So we got radar on this boat. It has everything you're going to need. So if you have any questions, would like to come see it, my name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.